Battle of Britain Memorial Flight. In a few moments, we'll be greeted by the sound of Merlin engines, not only the most iconic aero engine ever built, but also the most instantly recognisable. So here they come, the iconic Lancaster, Hurricane and Spitfire formations. Over 7,000. Today, Spitfire PZ 350 is being flown by Flight Lieutenant Andy Priest. Built in 1940, she was the 14th of 11,939 Spitfires constructed at the Castle Bromwich Shadow Factory. She is the only airworthy Spitfire from the Battle of Britain and a much admired survivor. Put into storage in 1944 until the making of the movie Battle of Britain saw her re-emerge from 20 years of dormancy, where she was selected to fly, representing the mixed nationalities of Scottish, Australian and Welsh of the members of its crew at the time.